Whoa. Giant to a Maggie, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would like a cabin. I ain't do no front and get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today, now we taxing. Way out the fear, ain't no way out for me. They always told me I'm the wave, like I'm way out. And see, I know some real ones turn state, ain't no way I could be. Out here living like the villain, only way up for me. Moving out the purges, I get time if it was worth it. If you coming from my fam, then you know I take it personal. Say that you the GOAT, I asked around, I never heard of you. Rocky road ahead and there's some things I had to hurdle to. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, windows down so all the haters see me. Back then they didn't want me, now they wanna be me. Keep the grass cut low, cause them snakes still sleazy. Always knew I had to glow, I just had to find a reason. Walking around looking like I own the place. I don't waste no food, man, I always finish off the plate. Ain't come to play. Trenches, baby, can't believe we made it safe. Something out of nothing, yeah, we made a way. So hungry, think I overate. Every single shot, then I'm thinking John Wick. Every loss got a lesson, every make got a miss. I can't even think of a man that had me terrified. We got options, pick your poison, don't just pick a side. Pick your side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah.
Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late. Seen them down bad, now they tryna hate. Same ones try to hit me for the raise. Got a mill, now they coming with a blaze. Check the numbers, fam, I swear I'm getting paid. I'm a Don just like the Perrier. It's one time when I'm looking at a face. On the low like I'm pushing up the bass. Told him come down and I'll meet him at a gate. Got a check and I bought myself a place. They get some money and they blow it on babe. I don't flex but I'm pushing all the weight. Told them all that's why I got it's what it takes. Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told them this would happen and we not a minute late.
Running, you are all I needed back then, now I'm buzzing. Yeah, she said I done changed, I said you just stay the same. Swear she used to have a plan, but now she doesn't. Them excuses got me jaded, I see that you never grew from cracks off in the pavement. You made it. She said I done changed, I said you just stay the same. Baby, you run it in place, yeah. I was on the news, sent a text. I wish you would listen to me. I got wrapped up in your bags. Don't get too close, I got ice in my veins, yeah. Running through the wires in my head. Where did you go? How come you up and left? Talking all the shit to your friends. Waking up cold, got no one to impress. I said bye, 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 bye to all your bad vibes. Put it to the side. Hold on, it'll be all right. Running, you are all I needed, baby. Yeah, she said I done changed, I said you just she used to have a plan, but now she doesn't. Them excuses got me jaded. I see that you never grew from cracks off in the pavement. All them likes on Instagram don't really mean you made it. She said I done changed, I said you just stay the same. Baby, you run it in place, yeah.
I stopped checking in on you, I gotta plan my career. You don't let resentment emerge, but on the surface the damage is clear. That fake ass hospitality you showed me, I kept the bandages near. You let the money change you, I didn't coin you for the type to bite my hand and handle the spear. I'm only trusting the man in the mirror, I got sat in the back and held back on the tears. I would judge you, but I leave it up to your pen and appear. peers to add to your fear of being accepted. Cause I think you needed this message. If they say karma's a bitch, then it's mimicking you, cause I see the resemblance. And you got a following now, but don't mistake it as some fame. I get to calling you out, and please don't make me name your names. You deserve it though, for all the times.